Adjectives, and we're going to be talking specifically about proper adjectives. A proper adjective is an adjective that's formed from a proper noun. It always begins with a capital letter. So for example, if your proper noun, remember a noun is a person, place, or thing, so Britain is a place, the proper adjective would be British. Both are capitalized. The proper noun, America. The proper adjective, American. So it's still going to be a thing or a person or a place, going to be capitalized. Okay, let's look at some practice. Let's see if we can find the proper adjective in some of these sentences below. The African nations were especially interesting. Do you see anything in there that shows you a person, place, or a thing? All right, if you said African, you would be correct. Now, this African is a proper adjective. What would be the noun that it came from? Instead of African, it would just be Africa. All right, next sentence. Ralph liked the visit to the Tibetan monastery. All right, do you see another place in there? Remember, it's going to be a capital letter. All right, if you said Tibetan, you would be correct. Tibetan is the adjective. What is the noun it came from? All right, if you said Tibet, you would be correct. Number 3, Joyce enjoyed the Italian paintings. Can you see the proper adjective? If you said Italian, you would be correct. And it came from the proper noun, what? What place? Correct, Italy. Good job. All right, number 4, the Mexican pottery was less expensive at the market. Do you see the proper adjective? All right, if you said Mexican, you were correct. And the noun that would go with Mexican would be? All right, if you said Mexico, that would be perfect. All right, let's try a little differently. I'm going to now give you the proper noun, and I want you to give me the proper adjective. So China becomes, very good, Chinese. Spain becomes, okay, very good, Spanish. And finally, Texas becomes, you guessed it, Texan. All right, awesome. You did great today. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.